In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the waiting room feature in Google Meet. If you've ever hosted a meeting and wanted a bit more control over who joins and when, you're in the right place. Together, we'll walk through the necessary steps to set up this handy feature. Let's get started. First, to enable the waiting room in Google Meet, we'll begin by opening Google Calendar. Google Calendar is where all your scheduled meetings reside and is the gateway to making the adjustments we need. Navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, take a moment to do so. Once you're in, you'll find yourself looking at your personal calendar, populated with events and meetings. Next up, let's select a specific scheduled meeting. Scroll through your calendar or simply search for the meeting you're interested in. Click on the event to open its details page. From here, you have a variety of options, but for our purpose, we'll focus on joining the meeting with Google Meet. So, go ahead and click on the button that says Join with Google Meet. After you're in Google Meet, it's time to officially join the meeting. You'll see an option labeled Join Now. Click on it, and you'll be taken into the virtual meeting room. You are now ready to adjust the meeting settings to enable the waiting room. Look for the Host Controls option once you're inside the meeting. Clicking on this will open up a variety of settings that give you control over the meeting experience. Here, you can adjust different parameters, but our focus will be on meeting access types. Click on this option to proceed. Now that you're in the access settings, you'll notice a few different options. These controls are designed to help you manage who can join your meeting and when. Look for the setting labeled Trusted. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu revealing more specific choices. On this menu, you'll want to select the option that mentions something like, anyone with the meeting link can ask to join. By choosing this, you are effectively setting up a virtual waiting room. This means that only those who have the meeting link can request access, and only you, as the host, can approve them to enter the meeting. This provides an additional layer of control, ensuring that uninvited guests don't disrupt your meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the waiting room feature in Google Meet, allowing for a more controlled and secure meeting experience. Be sure to save any changes and get ready to host your meeting with confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy hosting.